Your digestive system is a long, coordinated pathway that turns food into energy and eventually stool. It starts in your mouth. Chewing breaks food into smaller pieces so enzymes can work faster. Saliva mixes in and begins digesting carbohydrates, while your tongue helps form a swallowable bolus. Once you swallow, the process becomes mostly automatic, driven by muscle reflexes. In the esophagus, wave-like contractions peristalsis push the bolus down toward the stomach. At the bottom, a ring of muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes to let food enter. The stomach churns food with acid and enzymes, turning it into a semi-fluid mixture called chyme. The stomach releases chyme slowly, a little at a time, into the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum. Here, the pancreas sends powerful enzymes that break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The liver produces bile, which helps break fats into smaller droplets that enzymes can digest. Bile is stored in the gallbladder, then released when you eat to support fat digestion. The small intestine keeps mixing and pushing the contents forward with peristalsis for deeper digestion. Most nutrient absorption happens here through millions of tiny folds and finger-like villi. Sugars, amino acids, and many fats pass into the bloodstream and limp through these specialized surfaces. What's left is mostly indigestible material, fiber, and water, moving onward to the large intestine. In the large intestine, the body reabsorbs more water and electrolytes, firming up the waste. Helpful bacteria also break down leftover material and produce certain compounds your body can use. As water is removed, the waste changes from a more liquid mixture into stool. Peristalsis continues, moving stool through the colon toward the rectum for storage. The rectum stretches slightly as it fills, sending signals to the brain that it's time to go. The anus is the final gateway, surrounded by sphincter muscles that help you control release. These nerves can help distinguish whether the contents are gas, liquid, or solid, so you can respond appropriately. When the timing is right, coordinated muscle relaxation and contraction allow a bowel movement to occur. And that's the journey: chew, swallow, digest, absorb, reabsorb water, and eliminate what your body can't use.